What happens when a judge suddenly stops the courtroom proceedings? Not because of the case, but because of the defendant's appearance. From missing evidence and stalled negotiations to a shocking lecture about courtroom respect, this hearing takes several unexpected turns. Stay until the end to see how the judge handles it.
Okay, the defendant is present with Mr. Lane and the state. What are we doing today?
Your Honor, we're just waiting on videos. If I can have 30 more days for an announcement.
I was indicted last year.
Judge, I'd like to point out I made a offer in writing to Mr. Lane back on June 23rd of this year. The videos, of course, have been available at least since that period of time.
Why? Hadn't you got to it?
I've requested them and I asked if they were available yesterday and they said they're not done yet. Judge, I'll point out that no one has
here.
Exactly. I'll point out that no one has made me aware of the fact that he's not been given up or provided.
Who did you talk to?
I'm talking Renee. Not Renee. As the prosecutor in the case, I'm always happy to help facilitate those kind of issues if they just let me know, Judge. I'm not blaming the state, Your Honor. I've got 2 minutes. Okay. Thank you, Judge. Thanks. Okay.
That are here.
What?
Hey, Reagan,
Yes, sir.
on Antikar Raman Khan, is that right?
Jimmy and I are still working through some things on this, and I need to.
Where is that person?
No, I can help you.
Yeah, there's right now, he's written down no offer on it because there's some other stuff he's looking at. So just looking.
Okay, today, then what are you asking to do? You got it. You, Stephanie, Caleb Ledger or Lejeune, whatever the case may be, it looks like 2 cases. 2 cases, right?
Yeah, judges.
Ledger. Aggravated assault, that's the same day.
Yes, Judge.
2 people.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right.
And they're doing that. And they're doing that on both sides.
Hmm? And what?
Because they have those.
I wonder.
Yeah.
People still have a solid relationship with her. I'll say about that. So you're gonna have a solid relationship. Well, if you try to be used to no species, that's true. But you can't have a good relationship. I'm just trying to think. It's not a good one. Just why emotional do that. Once you get with that shit, then there's other offer, you go and take over, you go, else she loses the chair. Make t-shirts, fire away from the right? Yeah. Well, some people stuff makes you memorize a few things. This is the court, this is legit. This is what the lawyer does. And go back to the legal college. Yes, you repeat it, yes.
You're
But we haven't sent you back before he changed his life. Sad but true. It is sad. That's sad. Here we go. Should see.
And we're getting on a year of this the anniversary of this incident. So what is today is announcement?
He wants to set this on top.
Yes, this, there is no deal on this one. I
Yes, sir.
this.
I understand.
We tried this.
I'm familiar with the underlying facts. I understand perfectly.
Let me know if anybody's trying to get in contact with the victims. I'd like to know that
Yes,
so
sir.
that the court can administer some.
Reagan went ahead and put that.
Understood. Thank you, Judge.
I needed the file. I just wanted you to.
Okay. We're going to trial. And there are no deals on this. We're going to let a jury decide what this conduct is. And it's most disturbing probable cause that they can get a resetting. Put this to trial as soon as possible.
Yeah.
Thank you. Next is, and note on that, there is no deal,
Yes,
so
sir.
I don't forget. Joseph Williams. Joe.
Just one case, yes, sir.
Well, I can go and accept it.
Okay, short for a minute.
Joseph Williams. You know, I shouldn't be like a parent here. Would you wear that to church?
This.
You would wear that to church?
This.
You don't have any other clothing?
Oh, dirty. Oh, dirty.
What, have you heard of washing clothes?
I couldn't.
That's a regular. Why couldn't you?
Because I had a time to and washer some stuff in my house.
Okay. All right. Well,
So
so you wait until all your clothes are dirty until you go and wash them? So you don't have any backup plans?
No, sir.
Because that's not appropriate. Look, just look over. Look, just look over. Look over. No, look over there. All the men are with ties. You notice? But it's something, and the ladies are all dressed up nicely. It's because this is an honorable place. This is what the Constitution, this is what the flag states for, what goes on in this room. It's the Constitution. Respect, it's respect. And the way you're dressing, it shows little or no respect. Look, I grew up too on the planet. And I was single. I had to take care of my clothes, and I never ran out of all my clothes before I decided to wash them all again. I mean, that's being prepared. Don't dress like that again, okay? Just show respect for all of this. And you're charged with a second-degree felony of burglary of a habitation, which carries with it up to 20 years in prison. 20 years in prison. I would find that disturbingly sober and serious if it were me charged with this. All right. But you gotta act like it's important to you. All right. Ms. Minaldi is here, and it's in the next. So what are we doing? Trial?
No,
On
Judge,
this
if
one?
I could have 4 weeks, I just received the offer from Jimmy from Jimmy's file from Mike this morning.
And it's 8 months old. No,
This is,
I know it was handed up on January 21st. It's getting for 8 months. I mean, the decision has to be made. We have 2 weeks. I'll give you 2 weeks.
okay, Judge.
Thank you.
Said.
Kimberly 3.
And that's where this courtroom hearing takes an unexpected turn. What do you think? The judge was right to demand this level of respect, or did the criticism go too far? Drop your opinion in the comments. And if you want to see more intense courtroom moments, unexpected judge reactions, and real legal drama, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.